During that first house, I mean, our friends and family thought we were crazy.
Because we knew a little bit about construction. We had done a lot in the past, but we weren't professionals by any means. We didn't have our real estate license. We weren't professionals in this field. We were just kind of figuring it out as we went.
And it wasn't a great neighborhood. I mean, people thought we were crazy for doing it there, but it was our neighborhood and it was where we lived. So 6th Avenue Homes, it's a one-stop shop real estate company that has a bunch of different aspects and layers to it. I think the way it all got started, the primary aspect is that we buy and restore old crappy houses. We love taking neglected things back to life, and together we have bought and we've restored over 55 historic houses right in our neighborhood where we live. All of this started back in 2011. We were back-to-back neighbors. We would get together on Wednesday nights and we would drink wine and we would just talk about how can we make the city of Fort Worth a better place? What can we do to impact our city? And we talked about what would it look like to do a business together, and then also what would it look like to actually launch a nonprofit together, which we did.
Because I was working for the police department at the time, right? And so if there was one person that knew the needs of the city and where high crime rate area was, which was really close to our houses, it was me. And so we kind of got to take my experiences and my knowledge of the city and see kind of where this need was, and we pretty much moved there. We moved to that neighborhood, right?
And it was all on this idea of restoration.
Yeah.
We wanted to see things restored. We wanted to see people restored, which kind of was the birth of the nonprofit. And we also wanted to see houses and neighborhoods restored, which was the birth of our business and the birth of 6th Avenue Homes.
I'm Melissa Ice, and I'm the founder and executive director of the Net Fort Worth. At the Net, we host consistent events to build relationships with people who need a network of support. And so really, we just love making sure that every single person, whether they're marginalized or not in our city, has the opportunity to be seen, known, and loved. And the way that we do that is just through friendship.
Hi, I'm Waverly Williams. I'm Jimmy's wife, and I'm a nurse at our local children's hospital, and Jimmy is a police officer here in Fort Worth. So it's really neat to bring kind of that aspect of our lives into 6th Avenue Homes. It's not just about doing construction on homes or restoring an old home, but it's really just about making an impact in our neighborhood and our city.
Yeah, there's been several houses that we bought that were, I used to work undercover in narcotics, and we go up to a house that's for sale, and I recognize it because it's just something so neat to take that house that used to be selling drugs to half the neighborhood and then shutting it down, restoring it, and seeing a family move into that.
One of the neat things about working with your best friend is that we also have a ton of fun while we do it.
There's a lot of dares and double dares going on a daily basis.
It's been a wild ride. It was neat to see that one house, you know, turn into 20, turn into 30, turn into 40. And soon enough, this has become the hottest neighborhood in Fort Worth. It's where people are wanting to live and move into, and I feel like we've really made an impact.